Hey, let's go. When I think about tamales, I think about the holidays and my grandma and the rest of the family in the kitchen slaving away all day. Well, now you can just head over here to El Chito Tamales at Columbia City Farmers Market and get something just as special. I gotta tell you how excited I am. It's like Christmas.
All right.
Because that's when we eat tamales, right?
That's correct.
That's correct. Owner Marlo Aguilar wanted to sell tamales at a farmer's market, but had to do a little convincing to get them there.
I wrote an email to them and I said, I sell tamales. I would like to sell it over the farmer's market.
Yeah.
They said, we are completely full right now. We're going to put you on waiting list. One day I just show up to the office and bring some samples. I left. Next day, I received an email saying, hey, we got you for this market.
When can you be here? Today we're gonna try out Marlo's asparagus tamales with kale, quinoa, cojita cheese, and of course, Washington-grown asparagus. It's really good, man.
I know.
The masa is so flavorful. That quinoa is so unexpected.
Yes.
Like, it's a very surprising, but so good. I'm gonna go around and see what people think, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna like them.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Yeah.
Quinoa.
That's on point.
It's really good. Oh, delicious.
There's a big smile on your face, so that must be a good thing.
Sauce is delicious.
It's very complex, actually.
For folks who are really carnivores, it's not too veggie tasty.
It's fresh.
Like the fact that you're in season with the asparagus.
It's a good tamale.
Tasty stuff.
Now you know another place to go.
Now I know another place, and yeah, it's right by here.